Getting incompatible systems to work together is something that I do professionally. It's also something that I do at home for fun. Some time ago, I realized that I could apply the same IT principles that I use at work to my house. The internet will tell you to just buy a hub or join a subreddit, flash the firmware of your device, which is great advice if you enjoy spending your weekends in forums at 2 a.m. I'm Steve. I spent 15 years integrating systems across hospitals and universities, enterprise environments where things actually have to work. Smart homes have the same type of problems, they just happen at a smaller scale, possibly in the middle of eating dinner. That's why I started IT Alchemy. It's about building smart homes that work reliably so that your family doesn't blame you for when the TV doesn't turn on. Built on the same principles that keep enterprise systems running, just with better lighting. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe. Check out the website, read an article, watch a video. We'll start from the beginning and we'll do this right.